Microsoft 365. Use pre-designed templates for quick document creation. Microsoft 365 is a powerful productivity suite that offers a range of tools to help businesses and individuals work smarter and more efficiently. One of its standout features is the availability of pre-designed templates, which can significantly speed up the process of document creation. Whether you're drafting a report, creating a presentation, or designing a budget spreadsheet, these templates can save you time and ensure your work looks professional. What are pre-designed templates? Pre-designed templates are ready-made layouts that come with preset formatting, design elements, and placeholders for content. They are available across various Microsoft 365 applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even Outlook. These templates cater to a wide range of needs, from business and education to personal projects. Benefits of using templates: time-saving. Templates eliminate the need to start from scratch. You can focus on your content rather than worrying about design and formatting. Professional appearance. Microsoft's templates are designed by professionals, ensuring that your documents, presentations, and spreadsheets have a polished look. Consistency. Templates help maintain a uniform style across all your documents, which is particularly useful for businesses that need to adhere to branding guidelines. Customization. While templates provide a preset structure, they are also fully customizable. You can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to suit your preferences. Variety. Microsoft 365 offers a vast library of templates, covering everything from resumes and invoices to project plans and newsletters. How to use pre-designed templates in Microsoft 3651. In Microsoft Word, open Word and click on New. Browse through the available templates or use the search bar to find a specific type, e.g., resume, business letter. Select the template you want and click Create. Replace placeholder text with your content. 2. In Microsoft Excel, launch Excel and go to New. Explore templates for budgets, invoices, calendars, and more. Choose a template and click Create. Input your data into the predefined fields. 3. In Microsoft PowerPoint, open PowerPoint and click on New. Browse templates for business presentations, educational slides, and creative themes. Select a template and click Create. Add your text, images, and charts to customize the slides. 4. In Microsoft Outlook, use email templates to save time on repetitive communication. Go to New Email, design your email, and save it as a template by clicking File greater than Save as greater than Outlook template. Reuse the template by selecting New Items greater than More Items greater than Choose Form. Popular template categories in Microsoft 365: business templates, invoices, business plans, meeting agendas, and project proposals. Personal templates, resumes, cover letters, and calendars. Educational templates, lesson plans, report cards, and student schedules. Creative templates, flyers, brochures, and posters. Tips for maximizing template search: smart. Use specific keywords when searching for templates to find the most relevant options. Save customized versions. After tailoring a template to your needs, save it as a new template for future use. Leverage cloud integration. Store templates in OneDrive to access them across devices and collaborate with others in real time. Conclusion: for design templates in Microsoft 365 are a game changer for anyone looking to create documents quickly and professionally. By leveraging these tools, you can enhance your productivity, maintain consistency, and produce high-quality work with minimal effort. Whether you're a business professional, student, or freelancer, Microsoft 365's templates are here to simplify your workflow and help you achieve your goals.